So one of the things we're going to actually cover really quickly today is that to help people have really ease of access to it is that these models have gotten small enough where the CPUs are starting to become viable for many use cases. So it doesn't mean your fastest use cases, it doesn't mean your most demanding use cases, but it does mean that it's possible and people can learn on it quickly. That one I think I might have run through already. All right, yeah, so over on this one. Yeah, again, GPUs, of course, are really king for training. You're not going to get around that, but unless you're, the $100 billion company, you're probably maybe not even into that game. Certainly you can do it, but in most cases we're talking about inference. And so inference, we have now found, so we do this on several, I'll get to some tests here in a minute, but we do this essentially because different customer models can require, hey, let's say I need a suite of developers to work on something. They don't need these super fast systems. Or let's just say I'm using a very simple chatbot. Well, do I actually need something to be as fast as an A100 or an H100 or an H200? So almost typically we're talking about these particular GPUs. And so I grabbed this the other day. They are fast. They're pretty incredible machines. I'm a hardware person myself. But yeah, I grabbed some of the rough prices that you might expect out there without giving our exact prices that we pay. But yeah, an H100, you're north of 25K a piece. The A180 gig, you're north of about 13K right now. So if people are getting better prices than that, please come talk to me later. I'd like to know about that. But they're super fast, but they're incredibly expensive. And that's just the card, right? Like you've got to put it in a box.